Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Jane Maat. I'm 36 years old. My height is 152. My kilogram is 70. I'm single parent, have live-in partner. I have one children, one girl, 17 years old. I can do housework, cleaning, washing, ironing, and also can do gardening. I can take the job, take care children, and will follow instruction. I can take the job, take care of baby, from newborn, do showering, feeding, and all needed. I have experience before in Philippines. Have 3 person in the family. Mom and sir, one elderly, 89 years old. I do cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, take care elderly, grandmother, 89 years old, have dementia. I do feeding, showering, and give medication, mobility support. I cook food like forage, steamed vegetables, adobo, fried chicken, fried fish, chicken soup, and do laundry, wash dishes, clean toilet, and clean glasses. I prefer to take care baby, prepare number take care bedridden. I prepare to take care children age to 10 years old. Baby, I will do all my best to be a good helper and will follow instructions as you needed. I'm honest, listening, fast learner, hardworking. I will follow employer instruction, given and work independently without employer. Kindly give me a chance to serve your family and I will do all my best to complete my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir and ma'am.